Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the most exciting home design trends of 2025. Whether you're planning a home makeover or just love staying updated on the latest interior styles, this video is for you. From futuristic smart homes to warm, nature-inspired aesthetics, these trends will redefine the way we live. Make sure to watch till the end to get inspired for your dream home in 2025. 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly designs. Sustainability continues to be a major focus in 2025, with homeowners opting for energy-efficient solutions and eco-friendly materials. Recycled wood, bamboo flooring, and low VOC paints are now essentials in modern homes. Solar panels and smart energy systems are seamlessly integrated into designs, reducing carbon footprints while enhancing convenience. Green roofs and vertical gardens are gaining popularity, bringing nature into urban homes. Expect more natural lighting with large windows and skylights that reduce energy consumption. Sustainable furniture made from upcycled materials is also making waves, proving that style and eco-consciousness can go hand in hand. 2. Smart home integration. Technology is evolving, and so are our homes. In 2025, smart homes are becoming even more intuitive, with AI-driven assistants controlling everything from lighting to security. Voice-activated appliances, smart mirrors, and automated blinds create a seamless living experience. Homeowners are investing in personalized, AI-driven home management systems that learn their routines and optimize energy use. Virtual reality, VR home decor previews allow homeowners to visualize interior changes before making decisions. Even wellness tech is incorporated, with smart air purifiers and circadian lighting improving overall well-being. 3. Biophilic design and natural elements. Bringing nature indoors is a key theme for 2025. Biophilic design focuses on incorporating organic materials like stone, wood, and natural fabrics into interiors. Indoor plants are now an essential decor element, not just an afterthought. Water features, such as small indoor fountains and nature-inspired textures, create a calming environment. Earthy tones like terracotta, olive green, and warm browns dominate color palettes, making homes feel more connected to nature. Large glass doors that open up to lush gardens or patios are becoming a staple, blurring the line between indoor and outdoor spaces. 4. Maximalist expression and bold colors. Minimalism is taking a step back as bold, expressive interiors make a comeback. Maximalist designs feature vibrant colors, eclectic furniture, and unique art pieces. Homeowners are embracing deep blues, rich purples, and vibrant reds to make bold statements. Layered textures, patterned wallpapers, and statement ceilings are adding character to every space. Vintage decor mixed with modern pieces creates a visually stimulating contrast. Personalization is key. Every home tells a unique story with carefully curated pieces that reflect the homeowner's personality. 5. Multifunctional and flexible spaces. As remote work and flexible lifestyles continue to thrive, homes in 2025 are designed for adaptability. Living spaces now serve multiple purposes, with convertible furniture and hidden storage solutions maximizing space. Home offices are seamlessly integrated into living areas, with ergonomic designs and soundproofing becoming standard. Open-plan concepts allow for easy transformation, with modular partitions offering privacy when needed. Multi-use rooms, such as guest rooms doubling as fitness studios, are becoming more common. Smart furniture, like foldable desks and hidden beds, ensures that even small spaces remain functional and stylish. 6. The rise of retro and vintage influences. Retro aesthetics are making a strong return in 2025 with a modern twist. Mid-century modern furniture, curved sofas, and terrazzo surfaces are becoming favorites among designers. Warm wood tones, mustard yellows, and deep teals bring nostalgic charm while keeping things contemporary. Statement lighting, such as globe pendants and brass fixtures, adds a vintage touch to modern homes. Thrifted decor and repurposed antiques are in high demand, offering both sustainability and character. Combining old and new elements creates a timeless look that feels both cozy and stylish. And that wraps up the top home design trends of 2025. Whether you're drawn to smart technology, sustainable living, or bold, expressive interiors, there's a trend to suit every style. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home inspiration, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.